you're doing great. So in my previous video I showed you how you can create a Flutter pub package. So on this video I created the pub package and pushed it to a Git repository. My purpose was that use this Git repository for testing, and if we find everything is okay here, we will publish this package to the pub.dev. So here I am showing you the Git repository where I push the code of my Flutter package. So I'm going to show you how you can use this Git repository as a Flutter package. Let's begin. As you can see, I just created a Flutter project which is already have some code, and here we will try our widget, that how it's look like. So for adding our package from Git repository, we'll go to the pub spec file, and here we will add our dependency. So first of all, we will give a name to our dependency. So the name is material rounded button. So by doing this, you can add the Git repository or the Git URL here. So I'm copying the Git URL. So let's press pub-get. So as you can see, the package has been downloaded. So if the package download is successful, we can import it from our project. So if you look our package file, as you can see, this is our package file. So we can able to import this this package by this file name. So let's try. Yeah, the suggestion is in fast options. So let's try to import our widget. So within this text we can replace the text and try our widget here. So our widget name is, if you look the package file, the widget name is material rounded button. So I'd like to write it here also, material real rounded button. So it's showing okay. Title is required. So if you give some title like camera, and if you run this project, let's see what happened. So as you can see, we actually successfully test our package. As you can see, we first create the package, then upload it to a Git repository. Then by using this Git repository, we use this package to another Flutter project, and we are seeing this is pretty successful attempt. We customize more things. So if you check our package, we can see we can pass title, an icon, font size, also provide elevation, then background color, also the radius. So let's try to add these things in our project. So I'd like to pass an icon here. So let's check the data type, which data type we are using actually. So these are icon type data. Let's try to rebuild the app. Oh, it's look really beautiful. Let's try to increase the icon size. Did it increase? No. Let's try to increase more. It's increased, but we need to add more size to look it more good. It's too big now. Let's decrease it, set it to 40. I think it's now look perfect. Let's add some elevation also. As you can see, some elevation present there. So you can also add an on click or on press event there. So as you can see, I cannot use on pressed here. I trying to figure it out why it's happening. Then I see if I remove this const from the center, it's supposed to be okay. So if I add, it asks me to add const here, so I add here. So now if I click, the button should print click on this terminal. Let's see. So if you click the button and it's print click, so by this we can create a Flutter package, then upload it to Git repository, and then we can use it in a Flutter project. So that's all for now. In the next video I will show you how you can publish this package to the pub.dev. So if you're new at my channel, please subscribe my channel for later videos, and if you find this video really useful, hit the like button. Thank you very much.